Welcome to part 3. I'm not going to talk too much for this one. I'm just going to keep trucking along. Just got the control panel to do my holes for the cables and install my power supplies, which are somewhere. Anyway, that doesn't matter. So the inside of it is there. Today I'm going to do everything for it to be one complete panel. Hey guys, so the box is about, I would say, 90% complete. Where I did my 36 volt power supply, which supplies the 36 volt for the drivers. I got my 24 volt power supply, which doesn't supply anything at the moment, but it will supply the 24 volt for the Mach 3 board to be able to use the limit switches and the relay. The relay is a 24 volt also. Basically, for the moment, everything is rewired. So I did, now my plug is hooked up. I got the emergency switch and that all hooked up. It's all supposed to be nice and neat after I put on the covers. But basically, this is pretty much complete. Maybe, missing a couple more of these for the limit switches and not the home switches, because these ones are the home switches. I need some more like these terminals that screw together here. So I'm missing like 2 for here. I need another separator here. I do need more. I would like to put a connector here instead of putting this thing in the back up there. So in all, I mean, this is starting to be pretty much complete. I'll be able to start working on the gantry. I got the gantry here up. Started drawing some plans last night for holding the gantry up. I'm pretty sure the piece I printed up is in the house, but this was that piece of like 3D printer stuff with these rollers. Don't know if I should go with that. I got these, like, the gantry is not gonna, I mean, well, the cutter is not gonna be heavy, and I have a 16 millimeter ball screw that's gonna be pushing it, and it's I think a 300 or 300 ounce stepper motor that's pushing it. So I mean, it's these guys here. I mean, I don't think I need to go to the bearings to get that smoother action, but I mean, it would look nicer. But this could save me some money, and I could get maybe reimbursed for one of these linear bearings. These are 130, and that over there was $10. So, but I'm still seeing there. At the end, I was maybe thinking of just putting the bearings on this and then using this for the y-axis or z-axis, and I'd put like I think a 20 by 40 fits this way. So basically, it'd be just riding on a 20 by 40 with the bracket on top with the motor pushing or pulling this up or down. Still don't know yet, but I mean, I did attach one of my 3D printed brackets on the back. So I'm probably gonna work on this a bit today, but as the part of the video which was completing the panel for today, and I'm still missing a couple of these screws. They're probably just hanging around here. Here's the ground, so I'm just gonna button it up, then close this panel. I'll be able to actually put it away and not worry about me dropping something on the electronics. And if ever I want to go test it right now, I could just hook this up, hook a couple motors inside of the panel, and try that way. Don't need to mess around with the inside, and all the power supplies are there. I'll be able to measure to make sure I get my 36 volts and adjust the voltage accordingly. All that's fun stuff. And have some extra, have a little bit of extra everything. These are my brackets here for the motors. Yeah, pretty happy with the result of this panel. So I'm gonna put a pause on this and maybe go spend about a little bit of time editing this, and then I'll get working on the gantry.